To define the earthwork site for a site mass haul, you'll go to the site mass haul tab, select create earthwork site, and here you can choose the type of site, so a waste site, a borrow site, or a processing site. So if I do another waste site, and we'll call this waste 2, it's going to go on this layer earthworks, and I can put a location. So let's say that I put this site down here, and the cost for that site is $2 a cubic yard and has a capacity of, let's say, 10,000 cubic yards. I can apply that, and now I have a new waste site. What I can then do is rerun my mass haul analysis, and some of this material will go to this waste site and some of the material may go to that waste site. I can also define a borrow site, so this could be maybe a mine that I have, and I can put a location for that. So let's say that I'm going to pull that material from a site or an area that's over here, and I can define the materials, so I can come in here and say that that is my offsite borrow. It could be rock. There's so many cubic yards of material at that site, and it's $5 a cubic yard or whatever. And when I apply that, you'll see that it drops in a kind of like an excavator icon where my borrow site is. And then a processing plant or a processing site could be an area where you're going to crush rock, maybe mix materials. And same idea with that, is I can come in here, define the processing materials in my material site improvement manager. So you would have to come in and define the material processing and the material set to apply a processing site. But that is where you get those tools to add those earthwork sites to your project for your mass haul.